I have made two videos with adding fractions, one with the same denominator, this one, and another one with different denominators. But they both have different signs, in other words, positive and negative fractions. All right, so I just want to review with you. When you add 2/5 and 1/5, and it's so much easier to recognize it, this is not easy, sorry, if you add 1/5 and then you add another fifth, that's 2/5. And then if I add to 2/5 one more fifth, what do I have? I have 3/5. All right? 3/5. So this is going to be 3/5. So you just add the numerator, you don't add the denominator. 5 plus -1 is going to be 4/9. 5/6 plus 2/6 is 7/6. And again, you may leave it as an improper fraction. 9 plus -3 is going to be 6/8, which, however, you will reduce. Simplify it to lowest terms. Now, to do this, you probably remembered back when you had basic math that you put one fraction over the other. In algebra, it is so much easier if you treat everything as improper fractions. So that's what I'm going to do. Because of the sign numbers. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18/4, plus 23/4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3. And then when you add those together, you're going to get 41/4, and that's how you will leave it. All right? This one is going to be 3 times 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19/5, minus, or plus the opposite, you might think of it that way, 25, so we have 27/5. So it's 19 minus 27, and that's going to equal 8/5. Remember, keep the denominator the same and simplify if you have to. All right. Put this on pause, copy these problems down, and then come back and see how you did. All right, again, the denominator is the same. You keep it. 3 plus 4 over 8 is 7/8. 5 plus 4 over 7 is 9/7. 3/4 plus a -5/4 is 3 minus 5, which is -2/4, but reduce to -1/2. And 7/9 plus -10/9, 7 minus 10 is -3, reduced to -1/3. Turn these into improper fractions. 6 times 10 is 60, plus 3 is 63/10. 4 times 10 is 40, plus 5 is 45/10. And then we add the numerators, 63 plus 45, and get 108. They're both even. Cut them in half, 54/5. Turn these into improper fractions. Mix numbers into improper fractions. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 4 is 24/5, plus a negative. 5 times 8 is 40, 42/5. And then the numerator is 24 minus 42, which is -18/5. How'd you do? This workforce product was funded by a grant awarded by the U.S. Department of Labor's Employment and Training Administration. The product was created by a grantee and does not necessarily reflect the official position of the U.S. Department of Labor. The Department of Labor makes no guarantees, warranties, or assurances of any kind, express or implied, with respect to such information, including any information on linked sites and including, but not limited to, accuracy of the information or its completeness, timeliness, usefulness, adequacy, continued availability, or ownership.